Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am UshaBala. So today I'm gonna show you how to use Everyuth facial scrub and mask. So now let's start it into the video. First of all, clean your face with water. Okay, now take this face scrub, exfoliate walnut face scrub. This is very good scrub for oily skin. So I have also oily skin, so I used so many years this walnut scrub. Okay, this is very good for oily skin. So take an amount of scrub and apply your face and neck. Now scrub on your face like upperwards. Okay, apply your face evenly and scrub on upward direction. Be careful on your under eye area, so it is sensitive area, so be careful on that. Gently scrub on under eye area. Okay, so more concentrate on your nose sides and mouth around side. Okay, if you are in first time this Everyuth scrubber using, only 1 minute you use only. Okay, please subscribe my channel guys. Okay, I am scrubbing in within 2 minutes. Okay, now 2 minutes over. Now wash your face with lukewarm water or cold water, anyone. Okay, now I am washing my face and neck. Now take a napkin. Okay, now apply the dabbing motions on your face and neck. Don't rub. Okay,
hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
okay, now I am applying this Everyuth face pack, aloe vera cucumber face pack. Okay,
Never trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll
okay, take a little amount of face pack and apply evenly on your face and neck. If you want, add 2 drops of lemon juice on that. Okay, I am not adding. I am as usual applying. Okay, apply this pack also upward direction. Don't give down strokes.
finding life along the way. Melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around
Okay, now applying completed. Now wait for 10 minutes or 15 minutes. I am waiting for 10 minutes only. Okay, after face wash, like again dabbing motions, clean your skin with dabbing motions. Okay, like so. Don't rub your skin. Okay, now take any moisturizer. I am using this Biotic morning nectar moisturizer. So take a little amount of that. Take 1 or 2 drops and apply evenly on your face and neck. Thanks for watching this video, guys. So now completed. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, guys. Bye. Keep smiling.